Hot temperatures are leading to an influx of calls for one local fire department. And as Steve said, temps are getting even warmer this week. Hamilton EMS workers are asking people to take precautions. 9 on your side's Marielle Carbone reports.
With blue skies and sun can come an increase in sirens.
We've seen a significant increase in our EMS calls over the first week of July compared to last year's first week of July.
Hamilton City Fire Department and EMS believe the recent 90-degree weather is playing a big role in that increase.
It's been significantly hotter this year with the temperatures getting into the 90s, and then we're expected to have temperatures in the mid to upper 90s.
So it's asking people to take precautions, like using a fan to keep air moving, staying inside in the AC, and drinking a lot of water. Plus, check on your elderly family and friends.
Check on them at least once a day. Ensure that they're drinking the fluids. Ensure their air conditioner's up and running.
According to the Cincinnati Health Department, more than 600 people die annually due to extreme heat. And those with the greatest risks include those 65 and older, children under 2, and people with chronic diseases or mental illness. But it says even healthy people are susceptible.
There's anywhere from heat exhaustion to heat stroke. That's where if that person's not taken care of, it could lead to their death.
So Minnery says the heat is something to take seriously.
It's a very, very serious concern, especially during these hot summer months.
In Hamilton, Marielle Carbone, 9 on your side.